Welcome back to Project AD in part 3 of the Lotus restoration. Today we'll be removing the front clam. If you follow along the complete video you'll get an idea of where the fixing locations are and the order of parts removal. So yeah, let's take a look. I think take these panels out first and we can see.
Have you got any weapons?
Little Allen keys.
Mine are already loose.
Yeah, we took that one out already.
I'll do this side then. Ah, you've cross-threaded that one, that's no good. This isn't happening. Where's it? Have you got, what size are they?
I don't know, I'm using a Torx.
You do know, you just don't want to tell me.
T15 Torx. Just because that's the only thing I've got with a long handle.
I bet I picked up the wrong size. You. Nah, I got the right ones, look. Ba-dum. Oh, so they're glued on. Not very well, but
doesn't surprise me with the Lotus.
Yeah, but yeah, it looks like that's like bathroom mastic on there. That'd be right. That'd all peel off and re-stick, wouldn't they?
Everything is a bit loose.
What is?
Like this.
Yeah, but these are adjusters, aren't they? Yeah. So that you can sit them
Sure.
the height of that panel, isn't it?
Yeah, there's two nuts, so that should lock, but it's not locked on this side.
See, so that's... Oh, what's this? I've got like an alarm. I can check that out. Beep, beep. Disconnect that out. There's a 10mm there, which is door hinge is right in the way. So you might have to drop the doors off. If you bend your head round, you see there's a 10mm in there.
Yeah, might be able to get to it with the door open. Maybe not.
The more you open it, the more you block it.
Oh, there. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you see? So you might have to drop the door off.
I bet there's more than one of those as well.
But let's be fair.
Oh no, maybe just one.
There's cool wires, is there? So that's only like 10mm and a 13, isn't it?
Just switched onto the phone cameras to have a look in the arch liner. Lots of plastic clips and very rusty bolts here. Paul educated me in a new technique, the wax crayon technique for undoing rusty bolts. If you haven't heard of it, then check out another video I'm going to post later on because it is pretty incredible. It works on any rusty bolt.
Man, I don't really know what's going on here, but it's not happening very well. What have we found? Anything?
No. Found that these Phillips headed plastic
Clips.
yeah, they just turn to nothing when you try and undo
Yeah, you
them.
see, they're like the old mini ones, didn't they?
Yeah.
I'm like, right, they're winding me up. See, the problem I've got is I've got a fuse box here that's going to have to be moved on this inner wing.
Yeah, I think maybe take the heads off.
Oh.
You go head off.
Yeah. Oh.
Me too.
This doesn't sound very technical at the minute.
Snap the heads off these bolts.
Yeah.
Plastic bolts.
So I'm assuming you don't really want me to just cut them wires off, do you?
Maybe not.
But how the hell am I getting that out then? Oh yeah. That felt good.
Haven't had any moments like that yet. Oh, that's fibreglass. That hole's a lot bigger than it should be.
So we're either up there, point your camera in and have a look, or we're under the headlight going down, which would make more sense. You know what that means, don't you?
Headlight up.
We're going to run out of crayon. Now look, quality check. Michael Chidley, maybe Michael Matthew? I don't know. Drop this in here. Oh yeah, I'll let you get a better shot of it there. I'll keep going at you. It's going to be my thing. Every time we film something, I'll have me can of Monster in it. Until eventually Monster goes, you know what, we're going to give him for nothing. I'll be like, brilliant.
You drink enough of it?
Yeah, I drink enough, I'd probably keep him in. Good statue, don't I?
And the clam is off, and it's not too bad underneath. No really bad surprises, so that's good. Suspension is obviously very rusty. Steering rack's rusty. That's going to come out next. So next video will be suspension and steering rack, and then we really start cleaning it all up and do mechanical work and repairs, ready to go back together. So yeah, see you in the next video. Thanks for your support. Please like and subscribe. Big thank you to everybody that has subscribed to our channel up to now. It is a new channel, so we are starting from scratch. Thank you to everyone. See you back here for part 4, which will be front suspension and steering rack.